good morning.
I see Daddy.
Daddy?
Yes. He's on that truck over there.
Oh, my husband is here now. Dito kami sa Graba Road.
Come on.
Are you sure that's Daddy?
Yeah, I'm sure. He's leaving right now. Daddy's coming very soon.
Ganito kakapal yung snow. Tingnan natin. Kasing tangkad ko. Halos. Yung anak ko. Ayan. Natabunan na sila. Careful. Let's go. Let's go walking. Magandang exercise din. I wanna hold Bam. You hold in Mommy's other side. But don't hold your display. Nice morning. Very bright. Kaya ganito yung itsura ng aming Graba Road kasi end of the road na talaga to. Kami lang ang nagta-travel talaga dito. Kasi yung isa naming neighbor, andun siya. So dito talaga, kami lang talaga. Ang road na to, pupunta dyan, kami lang ang dumadaan. Kaya ganito yung itsura. Pag summertime, medyo merong tao dito na dumadaan kasi doon sa end of the road, meron silang cattle doon, far away. Pero ngayon, pag winter, kami lang talaga ang dumadaan. Kaya tingnan nyo, yung daanan ay snow talaga, hindi nagme-melt. Kasi kami lang ang dumadaan. My kids having fun. Kung narinig nyo yung noise, yun ay highway na doon. Highway. Let's go, Yara! Lakad muna tayo. Kasi ano lang, -9. Negative 19 kanina. Pero ngayon, nung lumabas ako, -10. So, ayan. Okay lang na lumabas kasi nice and sunny naman. Kaya, at saka walang wind. Lakad-lakad lang.
Let's go.
Itsura ng aking anak. Nakalabas ay ngiti-ngiti talaga. Minsan lang kasi nakakalabas kasi sobrang ginaw talaga dito. Minsan lang nagwa-warm. Ngayon naman ay malapit ng spring. Spring na sana eh. Matutunaw na kaso lang hindi pa. Kaya ewan ko lang kung
We're gonna have a race until we reach.
what?
We're gonna have a race until we go to the
Yeah.
very soon.
Yan akong babae. What you have to say to the viewers?
Nothing.
Nothing. Tell them about something. About the weather. How is it? Is it cold?
It's not that cold. Just a little bit.
Just a little. Yeah, because you get used to. That's why it's a little bit only. But if your grandpa and your auntie will be here, go visit in the winter time, I don't think they will go out. They might say, "Oh no, I'm dying here. Let's go home." How you can live in this country? Too cold, right? But if you get used to, that's a different. I just thought Daddy is already here. I think the neighbor.
Hey, that was Daddy way over there leaving.
Huh?
That was Daddy over there leaving.
Daddy? Daddy daw.
Daddy was in...
Okay, you wanna go back now?
Yeah, I can't wait to have a race.
Race!
Yeah.
Race daw kami. Ay, yung anak ko
Hey,
na.
but they're over here.
Oh, my
Don't
son.
go too far away from Mom.
Okay, let's go.
Race.
Race. Sige. Buds, let's go race, Buds. Go back over there, Buds. Daddy is gone. Ate Ara is gone. Run! I catch you! I'm coming! I'm coming! I love you guys.
Anyway.
Okay. Be careful. Oh. Wow.
This is a high mountain. Snow mountain. I call this hill Snow Mountain. There are lots of snow mountains. This is higher than over here.
That's right.
Higher than that. Whoa! I can see the view up there. Hey, Mom.
Yes?
I can see the world. I can see the world up there.
Good.
I looked up down the corner. I see the whole places.
Oh, okay,
And
good.
even over there, way over there, seeing the blue
You can
sky.
see the whole world.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
because
high.
the snow is so high. That's why you can't see. So you have to look up higher, right? Climb. You have to climb so you can look another world. Another world daw, sabi niya.
Let's climb higher. I see the trees. I see the housetops. Hear the snow.
Be careful though. You have no way to climb in there. You have to look for a lamp. Over there a little bit farther. Oh. Yeah, you fall down, yeah. Look at the face.
It's
She
like
had-
a little reindeer.
It's like a little reindeer. Ala, sobrang ano na,
A toad.
pinkish.
Wow.
Let's go home. Daddy's not back yet. Let's go.
No, I want to climb.
Tingnan nyo, no. Kahit na nilalamig na, no. Gusto pa daw niyang mag-climb. Yan. Yeah, tingnan nyo. Hindi na, yung snow hindi na malambot. Matigas na siya, ice na. Kasi, minumove ba. Yung ito na, hindi pinabayaan lang. Once na pinabayaan mo yung snow sa field, malambot pa. Pero once na ginalaw mo na, ayan, matigas na siya, parang ice. Or bato na. Matigas na ice. Hindi na siya yung snow na malambot.
This big rock over here. Come on, get it. Oh, you can leave that rock over there because it's smoothing out. Yeah, that's your new rock. It's the color white and red. Hey, let's climb.
Let's go home?
Now climb.
Let's go on that ice. Bum, that's ice. Let's go on that. Where's your rock? Go get your rock. Way better, way warmer. Right there. Like the brown one right there. Over there. He can't find it. There we go. Good job. Nah, that one. You can hold that one because it's not that cold. Yeah. Yung anak kong babae.
Hey, Mom.
Makyat na.
Show the viewers a night.
Did you climb in the Mount Emirates or what?
I did.
What mountain is that?
Huh?
What mountain? What is the name of the mountain you're climbing on?
Snow Mountain.
Oh, Snow Mountain, the name. Okay. The name of the mountain is Snow Mountain.
Climb down. Thinking that I climbed so up.
Ayan, see you later daw. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye! See bye?
Bye.
Bye!
Don't forget
Oh.
to come here and play with the rock.
Yeah,
wall
don't
that we
forget to come
have.
here and visit us. Bye!